Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 918, how to take the headache out of adding names to existing references. Let's say we're going to pick a number, a random number from an item. In this range over here from B4 to B12, and we're going to pick hoodie shirt, that's 12 bucks. We're going to go over to H5. We're going to hit equal H5. Then we're just going to pick another item. Let's go shorts, 10 bucks. All right, and then down in column H12, we'll just add those two. H4 plus H5. And we have $19. Down the road, you're going, well, we do this all the time, and I think I want to speed this up. We do this 100 times a day. So why don't we name this thing? We have this highlighted. Go up into the name box and just name it a shirt hat. So his shirt, hat, and remember, no spaces when you're naming either a cell or if you're naming a range. So shirt hat, hit enter twice. You hit the second time, it goes down to the second entry, second row. We have a $10 shorts hat. They'll go up in the names, go shorts, hat, enter. We have two names, defined names. And now you're going, well, I don't want to have to add H5, H6. I want to know exactly what I'm adding. So go up into define names, hit apply names, shirt name, hit short hat. And now you have shirt hat plus short hat. It's a random example, but you get the point. That's a simple and easy way to name cells. You can do the same thing with ranges. You can pretty much go crazy with this defined name format, but that's just a quick and easy way of adding a defined name. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.